Hello guys, so this is the second video and today we are going to create a simple chatbot kind of agent using the free API key. So basically when I wanted to learn the agentic AI, I was struggling with finding the free API key. So today I have found one from where you can generate your free API key, and for this we will use the Grok. It provides you the free API key. So to generate the free API key, you have to go to your browser, search for Grok, click on it, and here you have to go to the developers, click on the free API key, and here you will see the option of create API key. I have already created, so I won't create it again, but you can create it, copy it inside the .env file. And I also want you to look for the documentation, because in the documentation is pretty good. You can literally copy this code, provide your API key, and you can generate this simple model. And the second thing that I liked about it, that here it has listed the models which you can use for speech to text, like the Whisper, Large V3 Turbo, and Large. Then you have text to speech model. For that also you can use the Canopy Labs. Then you have the OCR and image recognition method. So I really like how they have organized the model and which model you can use for the specific task. So let's go towards the code and create a simple agent that will use a loop, and it will come out of the conversation when the user types exit or quit. So here we are using the Open API package. So you have to create a OpenAI client, provide the API key. We are using the .env file to store the API key. So you have to create an Open API key and then give your API key here. Then we are copying the base URL of the group. Then here this we have defined a list of the messages. So here we are defining what is the role of the agent and what is the content, and then we are printing the AI message. And here we have used the while true loop. So the when the user has to input, and it will be presented with the u colon, and if the user says exit or quit, the AI prints goodbye and it comes off the loop. Then we whatever the message user has typed, we are appending into the messages, and then we are calling the client.chat.completion.create method, in which we will provide the message array and the model we want to use. And then whatever the reply AI is giving, we are printing it that, and again we are appending the message that the chatbot has answered. So I will quickly run this. So for that you just have to run Python, sorry, my bad, Python reg agent for job slash simple agent dot py. Sorry, my bad, I typed the wrong path. Python, yep. Oh, again my bad, let me see what is the problem. Agent for docs slash simple agent dot py. Yep. Sorry, my bad, I was typing the wrong part. So here you see it is typing it is giving us, hey, I'm your assistant, how can I help you today? This is the same message that we have defined in the messages array. Hello, how is the temperature? How's the weather in Bangalore? Weather in Bangalore. Yeah, let's wait. Yeah, so it has given us the reply. For the exit condition I click on okay. Okay, did it rain today? So it is not a real time agent, obviously. Yeah, so you can see, you can continue your chat. I gave here, Yeah, so that's all. Let's meet in the again next video where we are going to create the reg agent. Thank you. Enjoy. Bye bye.